Did your phone start flashing an alert message out of the blue? Did you hear an alarm tone from your phone while there was no alarm set? Well, multiple smartphones across India received a message with the headline Emergency Alert Severe at around 12:19 hours today. The flash message further read, "This is a sample testing message sent through the cell broadcasting system by the Department of Telecommunication, Government of India. Please ignore this message as no action is required from your end." This message has been sent to test Pan-India Emergency Alert System being implemented by the National Disaster Management Authority. It aims to enhance public safety and provide timely alerts during emergencies. Timestamp 15/09/2023, 12:19 p.m. Hashtag 0888-758. Hence, as the message reads, the notification was actually a test message sent by the Department of Telecommunication to check a new emergency alert system that is being implemented by the government. However, this is not the first time that users have received an alert like this. Many mobiles flashed with a message similar to this in August as well as in July 2023. So, if and when implemented, this emergency flash messaging system will be used to broadcast emergency alerts of natural calamities like tsunami, earthquakes, cyclones, etc. It will be flashed to mobile users even in the remotest parts of India. In a July 20, 2023 statement, Department of Telecommunications said these tests will be performed from time to time in various regions across country to gauge the efficiency and effectiveness of emergency alert broadcasting capabilities of the systems in place and of various mobile operators and cell broadcast system. According to DoT, the Cell Broadcast Alert System is a technology that allows the government to send critical and time-sensitive messages for disaster management to all the mobile devices within a designated geographical area. It is sent irrespective of whether the recipient are residents or visitors to our country. Furthermore, this system extends its significance beyond traditional disasters. As has been evident during the COVID-19 pandemic, it proved invaluable in delivering real-time updates, precautionary measures, testing site information, and vaccination details. The capability empowered the government to engage in effective communication, enabling informed decision-making, and ultimately safeguarding public health and well-being. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.